Alright, as you all can see, I just finished prepping the table. I have my mixing spoon, measuring cups. These are the plastic containers that I picked up earlier today. I have spoons for each pigment. This is the purple glitter, the medium pink. I have my white glitter, and then over here is the red. Down at the bottom, I have my squeeze tubes, wand tubes. I have my tops, stoppers, and the tops for the squeeze tubes. And the oils that I use in all of my lip glosses is coconut oil. And I also have my bucket of lip gloss base. So what I'm going to do before I start with this lip gloss, I'm going to rewash my hands, sanitize my hands, and change my gloves. That is everything that I will need to prepare my gloss. So I'm going to go ahead and get started.
I've been watching you from afar, as I can remember. You're all a real man to me, never just for me. This is love, girl. This is more than a crush.
Right now, polished 10 toes down. Yeah. Get it, shawty, don't look down. Tattoo peeking through the see-through. Yeah. Body green color, I see you. I see you. Used to be in love, now your life fuck Cupid. Had to be a rag, so stupid. Coming through the gram, trying to figure out where you've been. All I need to know is that you're outside. Watching real time, ain't too live. Easily adjusted to your new life. Since you let loose, you been too tight. No place to unknown fence. You don't need to make that your own fence. Don't kid money, these grown men. How do we come up, they sleeping? I never get enough, never get enough. I never get enough, never get enough. Many, all in your direction. Choices I testing, just selected. If you get too close, tell a nigga back back. He been calling your phone, we don't call back. Back back. He been calling your phone, we don't call back. Let him know it's his fault and he need to fall back.
Now that everything is complete, I will be giving you a quick breakdown of what will be available online to purchase as far as my Valentine's Day drop. So bundle number 1 is my largest package, It will come with 4 6-ounce squeeze pouches. It will also come with 35 lip gloss tubes, a mixture of wand tubes and squeeze tubes. It will come with 4 syringes, 4 pipettes. The glosses are ready to use, ready to go. The oils and the scent and the flavor oils all have been included, so you don't need anything else. All you have to do is add this gloss to your lip gloss tubes and you'll be done. So it opens up like this. Okay, so the first gloss that you will receive the pink shimmer, the white shimmer, the juicy red, and last but not least, the purple glitter. You will receive all 4 of those 6-ounce pouches, ready to use, ready to go. 35 lip gloss tubes, a mixture of wand tubes, squeeze tubes, and 4 syringes and 4 pipettes. So next on the list, we have the bundle box, and what will be included with the bundle box will be the same as the last, but the only difference is you will receive all 4 squeeze pouches, but the only difference is this box here will come with only wand tubes. So the last kit is wand and squeeze tube. Alright guys, so I am finally done with that whole process. It took me maybe a little over an hour, not quite 2 hours. I really do hope that this video was very, very helpful to someone. And yeah, with that being said, thank you so much for tuning in. If you have not already done so, subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like this video and stay tuned to part 3. And in part 3, I will be showing you all how I like to fill my lip gloss tubes my way. So thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Bye.